Welcome back to my channel. This is Blade Obsession back. It's Friday morning. I'm going to probably call this one 5 for Friday. Friday 5 or whatever. 5 multi-tool Friday, something like that. Anyway, I don't think I've done a multi-tool video before, so I'm going to start with this one. This was not necessarily a multi-tool per se, but it's a Frost Akoi River. A lot of people don't like Frost. But this is just a camp knife. Has a spoon and a fork. If I can get it out. Fork. And a regular knife. It's got the tortoise shell handles. There's the Akoi River badge. It's not bad. It's pretty nice, I think. Kind of glad I got it. I don't know if you can still get them or not, but it's a good knife. So anyway, closing it down. Seems to be pretty well made. It feels solid. I like the tortoise shell. It's got a nice sheath. It's on Velcro though, but it's got the Velcro back for MOLLE attachment, I guess, or backpack or whatever. Good one to take camping though. This next one is a Buck 732 multi-tool. There you go. Not sure if that's Velcro or not. It's just a regular belt sheath. So, anyway, I can get it out of there. Okay, let's see, this one is a regular knife. And it's pretty sharp. It's got a thumb wrap, jimping. Only one thumb stud, obviously, because it has other tool beside it. It is a liner lock, as you can see. Pressing the liner. Then it has pliers, and the way they come out is they slide forward, and they're spring loaded, and it's very comfortable when you use it. So I think that's a pretty cool design. Never seen anything like that. It's got the regular pliers too and the wire cutters. Anyway, you have to press this down and pull back. Yep. That's what you got on that side. On this side, you press that little button there, and you have Phillips head. And you press that little button down and press back to slide it to the other direction. You got a flathead. And when you want to put it away, you just slide it in the middle. And she's up. And then last but not least, you have scissors. I like that spring. It's got a nice spring in it. It's stiff. So, and then close it, just a liner lock again. And you got a lanyard hole. So I don't know if they make these anymore, but it is pretty cool. I like it. Not the biggest buck fin. Oh, there is one more thing in there I forgot to show you. In this little pouch back in the back, you got a little butt plate on the other side. It's got a fish hook sharpener and a little diamond stone for touching up the blade, I guess. And if you want to, you can put that on a key ring because it has a hole for it. So there is that. They actually give you a snap closure. It's a nice sheath. Okay, there's two down. Okay, I may not go over every tool on these, but this is a Leatherman fuse. See if you can get that on there. It does have these inserts to make it more comfortable. The tools do lock. And my fingernails are so short right now, I'm not going to try to get them all out. But let's see. It does have, yeah, I can't get some of these out real easily. It's got a Phillips head. There's a bottle opener, can opener, scissors on that side. On this side, it's got a little lanyard hole. It's got a flat head, so I can get the knife out. The knife isn't necessarily easy to get out. Another flat head, a big one. Large pin blade. And these are very comfortable. They're not spring loaded though, nor are the wire strippers removable. But other than that, it's, for an old tool, it's nice and very comfortable. And I like the old school leather sheath, so that's cool. Got to make sure those are set good though to get it back in there. It's to hang up there. There it goes. Okay, moving on to number 4. This is the Schrade Tough Tool. I've used this one probably the most. It's my favorite. Probably the bunch, because I don't know why, I just like it. But like I said, 1 or 2 of them I haven't used. I like this one because the tools are accessible without having to open it up. And it is not spring loaded either, but it is very tough and thick, heavy duty, I would say. And I like the green lettering, the zombie green lettering. And it does have, let's see, it does lock, the tools lock on it. I don't know if they, I don't think they make these anymore either. But it's got a variety of tools. Just wanted to show that one. And it's a nice tool. Like I said, I'm not going to show all the tools on this, because I don't even think they make this one anymore. So the last one I'm going to do is a new one that I've just purchased. And I got it because of, I don't know if you've ever, I want to give a shout out to this man's channel. His name is Israel, and his channel's name is We All Juggle Knives. I've been watching him for years, and he's like one of the early people that were doing knife videos. I mean, like nothing fancy, and people like him. And he also does like health videos, because he's lost a lot of weight. He's gotten in tremendous tremendous shape by exercising and dieting and stuff. I wish I could do more like him, but on that part. But yeah, anyway, he reviewed this recently, and I thought it looked good. So he compared it to I think a Leatherman Wave. Not sure, but there's the not so neatly folded instructions. There's the case. Probably don't get as nice a case as you would with a Leatherman with this, but then again, this one was about $38, $37 maybe. I think when he did his video, it was probably around 30. So it's gone up a little, but it does have a lot of tools on it. It's got a big file, and that's a sharpening stone on that side, I think, or it was like a diamond stone or something. And on this side is scissors, but I can't do them with my fingernails, so I'm going to use the old trusty Classic SD for my fingernail because I don't have fingernails. But it has some really good sized scissors, and he said they're really good, so I'll go with what he said. I trust him implicitly when it comes to multi-tools because he's been doing multi-tool videos forever. And I think I might have to use a tool to get this one open. Look. I don't know why this one's so stiff, but there it goes. It's a mini fire steel. And it's removable. And there it is. And like I said, I'm not sure. I think that probably slides off, but I haven't been able to get it off. I don't know if you scrape it off or what. Hold on a second. I'm losing my camera. Let's see if I can fix it real quick. There we go. Okay. So yeah, and it's a whistle. Let's see if it works. Not too loud, I hope. Wasn't trying to hurt your ears. Anyway, let me get that back in. It just pops right back in. Well, it's supposed to pop back in. I'm having no luck with it. Let me open it up a little and see if that helps. Should just go in that way. There it goes. Okay, it popped back in, closing the whistle on the fire starter. I'm going to flip it around. This is a hammer for knocking down tent stakes. This is a glass breaker, which is really hard and pointy. Let's see, there's your pocket clip, which is nice. Like I said, for $30, you get a lot of tools on this. I think I forgot to do the knife. It's on this side. And I think I one-handed it earlier, so let me see if I can do it again. Yep. Got a really nice blade on it. Although I prefer it be straight edge instead of semi-serrated. So this, he did about everything you could think of camping with this. It's a liner lock. And let me open it up. Okay, there's a bunch of tools on this side. And I missed one earlier. Let me close it back. I missed one. I gotta find it now. Somewhere here, there is. This is it. Nope. If I can get a hold of it. May have to use the old trusty SD again. Let me try it again. Sometimes it just helps to have fingernails. And I don't have any. There's your locking wood saw. And he used it and it works good. Again, I think it's a liner lock. Yep. This is a nice tool though. Really like it. It's not too heavy. I'm trying to remember what all I had over here. I think these tools are hard to get out, but it does have a bottle opener and a cap lifter. And these are not easy to get out. I'm going to use the old trusty SD again. It's got a reamer. Flathead. That reamer looks like it has a pretty sharp edge on it. think you can use that reamer for sewing like leather too. And let's see, there is the cap lifter can opener. The only thing I could not find on here was a Phillips head screwdriver. So if you have to have that, you're probably SOL there. Probably out of luck. But it does have removable bits, the wire strippers and the wire cutters, and it was cutting through 3-strand wire, so very tough. Anyway, there's your 5.4. It's got the Leatherman fuse, the Mossberg 19-in-1 multi-tool. Here's the box if you want to look at the model number. I think it's on there. If that's not it, maybe it's on there. And this does come in satin stainless if you do not like black. So I got the Schrade Tough Tool, Buck 732, and the Frost Ocoee River camp knife. 5 for this Friday. So God bless every one of you that watch my channel. If you like this video, just, hit the like button if you want. If you don't, that's okay too. But yeah, I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Blade Obsession out.